In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download your Chase bank statements. The first thing you want to do is log into chase.com. So visit chase.com and log in with your username and password. Then access statements and documents. So click on the main menu icon in the top left corner of your dashboard. Select statements and documents from the menu. Then choose your account. So select the specific account for which you want to download the statements. Then select the statement year and month. So choose the year and the month for the statement you wish to download. Lastly, click the open or save icon next to the statement to download it in PDF form. If you're using the Chase mobile app, you can open the Chase mobile app, then sign in using your credentials. Then access the statements, so tap the profile and settings icon in the top right corner, select statements and documents within the document manager, then choose your account and year, so tap statements, choose your account, select the year, and open the statement as a PDF. If you're downloading the transaction data in CVS or Excel, log into chase.com, access account activity, so navigate to the account of which you want to download the transactions, then download the account activity. So click on the download icon, select download account activity, then choose your account from the drop down list. Select the file type as spreadsheet, Excel, CSV, then choose your date range or select all transactions. Click download to save the file to your computer. Remember that you can only access up to 7 years of the statements online depending on your account type. For statements older than 7 years, you may need to contact Chase customer service. Consider switching to paperless statements for convenience and environmental benefit. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe, but for now, goodbye.